Want to learn how to create a preloaded animation in webflow like this? Well then stick around to the end of the video. So first of all, we have our page, and the first thing that we want to do is we want to add in a div block, and we're going to give this a class of load or preload or anything you want to name. I'm going to name it loading. Then it's going to have a width of 100%, height of 100 v height. Let me put this out of the section, and then in position absolute over everything, so full, and then give it a crazy high Z index so that it's over everything on your page. Now the next thing that we want to do, choose a background color. Then I'm gonna insert a paragraph text into this loading section. Gonna just write some simple text, change the font if you like it. You can experiment with this however you want, but this is just what I want on my loading screen, right? So then I'm gonna add flex, vertical, line, center, justify center, like that. That looks pretty good to me. I just want this text to be a bit bigger though. So let's go for 5 em. Nice, that's lovely. So the next thing that we want to do is that we want to give it display none, so that when we're actually editing our page, we don't have this huge, div block just blocking everything for us. So now go to animations, create a new animation trigger, call it page load, and then start it when the page finishes loading. So we're going to call this loading animation. All we need is one animation for this. Excuse me for my typo. Now you're going to start with initial state of display set to flex, and then we're going to move into opacity transition. I want to transition to 0% opacity over a pretty long duration, so longer than most. We'll go for 1.5 seconds and just set that to ease in and ease out. And then after that happens, we want to switch to display none instantly, so no duration, no delay. Display none happens after the opacity transition. So when I press save, now click off this, as you can see that loading in animation happens straight away, and I'm still able to select the content within the site because it's set to display none. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, and on this end screen now there's another video that you may like.